Hi, my name is Lisa Rochfort, and I am from Philadelphia, originally, always been here. My educational background is I got my BSW from Kutztown University back in 2009, so it's been a while since I was in the classroom. My professional background is I am a EEP student from DHS. What that means is I work at DHS 3 days a week, and they allow me to go to school 2 days a week full time. They have us taking like 7 classes. It's crazy. But I work for DHS. I am in investigations. So I did intake investigations for a lot of years. And now I was in sex abuse investigations, primarily investigating sex crimes against children. My how I practice self-care. I probably don't as much as I should. Um, but I practice self-care. Come here, buddy. By being with this little one. This is Kenny, and he is 8 months old. So he is my self-care. But that's it. And I'm excited to see everybody. Thank you.